not your superhero. Well, I'm not your crazy powers. Well, I've got no secret mission now. Well, I've got no super weapon. Oh, yeah.
right, everyone, thank you for watching. I would like to share some of the pros and cons of this collapsible table, I guess. First of all, it is really heavy. I thought the lumber is gonna make it light, but I was surprised of how heavy this turned out to be. The handle is kind of thicker than I expected. This hinge right here, this is the hinge that is the only hinge that I recommend to have a low profile hinge, because it will get the smoothest level when you smoothest level of the table angle. So the table itself is sturdy, but you might want to consider how high you want it to be. Do you want it to be like a stadium table, or you want it to be a presentation where the angle is more toward the audience? So it is collapsible, and it is a little bit uneven on the sides and flimsy, but it works, man. All right, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.